From x1, y1 to x2, y2. 3 coordinate formulas to show what this line can do. Slope, distance, midpoint 2. Graph it out, I'll show you. Connect those dots, now form the view. Draw right triangle legs, that's your clue. Delta x, that's x to minus x1. Horizontal change, that's the run. Delta y, that's y2 minus y1. Vertical change, that's the rise. Start right here, analyze. Hypotenuse energy, we're on our way. Pythagorean theorem decides the distance grows and fades away. Delta x and delta y, square them both and add inside. Add them up and take the root. That's how we find the truth. Slope m is the rate, rise over run. Delta y over delta x, that's the one. Slope tells steepness, bigger m, more height. Rate of change from left to right. Positive slope, we climb the line. Negative slope, we fall in time. Zero slope, horizontal, no change in watch shown. Undefined and running zero, vertical zone. Parallel line, same slope, that's key. Different intercepts, they'll never meet. Perpendicular flip, now here's the deal. Opposite sign, reciprocal, that's real. M to negative 1 over m. Right angles form when they cross again. Midpoint magic, center found. Add x's and y's and have them down. Add the x's, divide by 2. Do the same for y. Symmetry true. Right between us, the point is clear. Halfway there, you're always near. Near. Yeah. Distance checks how far we've gone. Square the changes, add then root it on. Yeah, root it on. Slope is delta y over delta x. That's the rate. Zero runs flat, undefined. Stands vertical straight. Midpoint steady, center